The line in the sand has been drawn. For years, the iPad Pro has been described as a computer, but it always came with an asterisk. Yes, it's fast, but now, that asterisk is gone. This is the dawn of the true post-PC era. This is Apple's most definitive statement on the future of mobile computing. The M5 iPad Pro is here. And it is the first device specifically engineered not just to handle artificial intelligence, but to unleash it. We've broken down the confirmed specs from the official launch. We are talking about the M5 chip's 3.5 times faster AI GPU, the essential upgrade to 12 GB of base RAM, the game-changing iPadOS 26 with liquid glass design, and the seamless integration of Apple Intelligence that makes this tablet smarter than your desktop. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Stay with us for the next 30 minutes because by the end, you will know exactly why the $999 price tag is a bargain for the power you are getting, and why the M5 iPad Pro is the real foundation of the modern workflow. The most critical component of this device is the M5 chip. It is not just a faster processor, it's a dedicated engine for the future of computing, artificial intelligence. The M5 features a new 10-core GPU with a neural accelerator in every core. Let that sink in. This gives the M5 iPad Pro a staggering 3.5 times faster AI performance compared to the already potent M4 model. This isn't a theoretical number. This is practical, real-world power. What does this mean for your workflow? It means on-device image generation in apps like Draw Things happens virtually instantaneously. It means complex video masking in DaVinci Resolve is done in real time. It means large language models, the brain behind Apple Intelligence, run locally, securely, and with lightning speed. The M5 is the chip that finally moves AI from the cloud and puts it privately into your hands. To feed this hungry processor, the M5 also brings a massive memory upgrade. The base 256 GB and 512 GB models now start with 12 GB of unified memory, a 50% increase over the previous generation's base model. This essential RAM boost, combined with nearly 30% higher unified memory bandwidth, up to 153 GB per second, completely changes multitasking. No more frustrating app reloads. Pro apps stay open. Your workflow remains fluid. This is the single biggest upgrade Pro users have been demanding for years. The power of the M5 is unlocked by the software it runs. iPadOS 26 is the operating system that finally validates the Pro in the iPad Pro name. The new operating system introduces a flexible and intuitive windowing system. For the first time, you can truly control, organize, and manage complex multi-app workflows like a desktop computer. This, paired with the new background tasks and live activities, means that rendering, exporting, or large file transfers can run reliably in the background while you move on to your next task. No more waiting. And speaking of workflow, Apple has solved the other major professional hurdle, external display support. The M5 iPad Pro now supports driving a single connected display at a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This means your external monitor workflow, the core of any serious professional setup, is now smooth, responsive, and finally capable of handling high frame rate content for video editors and designers. This is the feature that cuts the final tether to your laptop. The display itself remains the Ultra Retina XDR, the tandem OLED panel with 1600 nits peak HDR brightness. It is the best display Apple ships, period. And for professionals working